Alright, stream got cut off. Back at it. Last couple things, I need to just upload the old, or get React, or not get React 3 Fiber going here. So a couple of things I do like that I have to do here. Oh, these are dev dependencies. I need to be in dependencies, right? Yeah. I don't know why that's before that. That's weird. Where did I just put? Okay, I guess I never got it. All right. Dependencies. React Spring. We'll just start with these two first. And then maybe also post-processing. And then... Okay, thanks. And then I need 3 standard library. And then Zustand for state management. Right? Is that everything we need? I'm not gonna put in framer motion. Probably use GSAP. What else do I need here? I think that's it. Okay, then we just need the types. And just need the 3 types, right? Yeah. All right, I think that should be everything. Fingers crossed, nothing blows up. There is an update. Should we update? Three. Where'd it go? Why not? Tap fate. Oh God. I guess that happened last time too. Let's grab Spring, I guess. Is this in dependencies? What do you do? Spring, React Spring. 3 web. Yeah, I think that's everything. All right, fingers crossed. Oh shit. That's why I didn't install. I got peer depths here. I think that's fine as long as my dry is... Where is it? Dry 9.12.5. Let's just run with that for now. I have it running in my other... Okay. All right. All right, let's go back to app. Okay, cool. So first, let's make like a simple mesh, I guess. I don't have the types installed. I think I have to. Didn't we install the types? Details, all of it, yeah. Oh, it's just missing a child. Okay. And then let's check dry is working also. Okay, and then we'll just do like, I don't know, a mesh. And then we'll also add like presentation controls maybe. Whoops. Just something simple. Yay! Why is presentation controls not working? Maybe we'll just do orbit instead. Oh, I gotta wrap it, really? Oh, right, because it's gotta like find the bounding bounds. Okay, sick. Now the real work begins. So next up here, we need okay. Now I need to implement the context. Okay, so this is what Claude is recommending. Let's see. Webflow doesn't give you access to server components. We'll need a different approach. Compile code, yes. Create div element, yes. To Webflow's custom code section, yes. Using session storage to persist necessary state across page navigations. Providing a simple initialization function that can be called from your compiled script, automatically handling state navigation. Okay. So map of path to the respective scene components. Webflow mount scene. Unmount init when script loads. Okay. I think what I'm gonna need to do. What did I say here? I directed the page and oh, this is not the right one. When you don't know material, it's a fresh page load. Okay, so let's see here. If I have the root mounted there. So here's my canvas. If I duplicate this, page 2. So I think what I'm going to want to see is how we go from page 1 to page 2. And whether or not this works. I guess I need a link of some sort. Maybe I could just, oops. We're just gonna drop a button. We'll put a button right here. Gotta wrap this into something. This one is 0. Okay. Page 2. So I guess we'll go negative on here, just so I can access it. All right, this is just to see whether or not this actually works the way that I think it should work. Go to page 1. Okay. So what should happen is we should get like a warning that the context is lost. But who knows? We might not. Oops. Is my server running? What happened? It disappeared. Let me clear this out. Mm-hmm. The problem is that I gotta just move it down a little bit. We're just working fast here, just to test our hypothesis. Okay. I don't actually know if it's losing its context. No, it's like mounting and unmounting basically. It might be okay. Like, it might not be so bad. Claude. Okay. So I don't need this one. This is Mount J, isn't it? I just wanted to, whoa. Everyone wants 3.7. Oh. Mounts appropriate React 3 Fiber scenes based on URL cleans up scenes when navigating away. Automatic initialization. Auto initializes when the DOM is ready. Useful for maintaining 3D scenes across Webflow page transitions, ensuring proper cleanup, seamlessly integrating React 3 Fiber with Webflow system. Okay. Okay. How do I implement that to my existing? I think I just grab it as is, basically. Site-wide. That's the main thing I'm trying to do here is page load is essentially a new session, so we're using session storage to simulate context preservation between pages. So it might just be the case that like I just have to mount and unmount things naturally. And this might not even really be an issue. The thing is, if I have a ton of resources, what does that actually mean for us? Like each, I think it's fine. The only thing is I need to map my scenes to a given page. So I think we still do need it. Init R3F. Which one is that? Hook to access the R3F context. Figure out how to maintain mount script. Oh no. So all this is doing is I have a single canvas element, and I don't know what the performance issues will be here. I guess another thing I could do is, well, this would be cool because maintains the WebGL state using session storage to persist necessary state across. Instead of using layout, we're using a provider component that gets initialized on each page. State persistence happens. The initialization is manual rather than automatic. Maintains a WebGL context. Let's look at the code. All right, let's read this real quick. So we create context, maintains, oh, it's done thinking. New file. Sweet. We'll add that guy. Missing some types there, but that's okay. Here's our app. Index. Okay. Use ref. Is use ref? Oh no, use ref is React. No, I have it right there. What's up here? Wait. What should be in my nets.tsx? I do still need all of that, I guess. I need an interface for it. The correct extension. But that's wrong. There we go. Let's clear this out. Okay, now slash is app. Let's create another scene. Test scene. And this one will make blue. So we got app, and then here we'll do, what did I do? Page 2. It's getting crazy. Hell yeah. It's working. Where is my storage? Yeah, baby. Okay. How do I actually see if it's working or not, actually? All right. How do I check if it's, if my provider is working? I think literally just if it works, I guess. I don't actually know. I still don't know if I actually need this. Well, it's at least loading the correct scene, so that's good, right? Console. Let's just add the context there. Current canvas. Let's do like page context. Why is it doing it 3 times? I don't know if this is different than... Okay, so does this give me... No, I want to test whether or not they're able to keep the state. I'm going from slash to slash h2. I think I need to resync my index here. I guess I could spin up Zustand. What's really cool about this though is that I don't know. I think it is mounting still. It's a page load, so like it's gonna have to mount the canvas again. Either way. Why is it so slow today? Let's go directly in here. How do I test whether or not we are maintaining the same canvas and state? Dude, Claude 3.7 is sick. To test state persistence, we can add a rotation animation to the cube and see if it maintains its position. Here's how to modify both scene components. Oh, true. What are we supposed to see? Oh yeah, it is. I can't tell. uh, Let the cube rotate for a bit. Navigate to check if the blue cube maintains the rotation state. Let's do, instead of rotation, let's do position on the X. I mean, I could have just typed that, I guess. Current. Okay. It's gonna be there. No, it's over there. So it should, if it was working properly, it would be on that side, right? Technically. Now the cube will act to make you see if the position state. No. It looks like it's restarting. All right, so I mean, it's not working, so that's good. I see the context, but I think I'm so confused. It should start. Doesn't seem right. For added context, this is my index. That's my index and my app. Oh, it's just a camera. Okay. Well, let's quickly test that first. Okay. No. Doesn't seem like it. Before unload this mount scene. Before unload. The event listener. Yeah, no. React now properly source camera state. Okay, so R3F manager.ts. Index. Track state between mounts, unmount the scene, create and initialize. Index. And then the app. And then test. It even added some text in here. Interesting. What does it say? Test component shows how long it's been mounted, shows the previous page path, different geometry. The box on the home page should continuously move to the right and reset when it reaches x equals 3. Torus on the test page should move up and down, rotate on multiple axes. When you navigate between pages, the camera position should be maintained. Look for R3F for storing previous state messages when navigating. Check if camera position. Oh, I see. Okay. So this is our state. Then we go here. Let's also move that. And then we go here. Nope. Current camera position 005. Go to page. Initializing instant Initializing scene, mounting scene en route. Time since mount, 0 seconds. Huh. Different but logical. If animation reset on page transit, the context isn't preserved. Camera suddenly jumps state. Restoration isn't working. Is my... If I move my camera on one page, should it stay in that position in another page? Is that what you wrote? Yes. Okay, so state's not being preserved. So if I like, I'm over here and then I go here, this camera should be like that, I think. It's not working, I don't think. Yep. Let's just change presentation controls to orbit controls. Because presentation controls technically snaps you back, so I'm guessing that's the issue. There we go. Well, camera, what does this say? It's just not updating. It needs to update. I guess we'll just make it work with presentation controls. Oops. R3F manager. Wait, now I'm confused. Capture presentation control. And then here's the canvas. Modify presentation controls. Add a reference to track it. All right, well, at the very least, I'm happy that is this where, yeah, this is where a canvas is being mounted. At the very least, I'm happy that it's React 3.5 is working. We're not getting any issues. Unfortunately, the actual context that I'm trying to do here does not work. Okay. So for some reason, it just ditched giving me all of the imports and the export. Return root. Yeah. Oh. It just gave me up until here, I guess. Oh boy. I know I was going to drop that at some point today. Constant GF. It's the return use effect constant F provider. Yeah. Oh. Okay, this is going to be a nightmare because well, it's good to figure out the presentation controls, I guess. App and test, modifier presentation controls. Which one is this? See, like, why would you give me the entire import? Or no, it didn't give me the import. But now I don't have a ref. Let's see. Okay. Something's happening still. Okay. I think it's just a state situation, so that's not so bad. All right. I think I'm good here. I will commit this. persistence, tense, it doesn't matter. Git push origin master. All right, well, at least we got that going for us. So really what we want is at some point we will hold the state like that, right? And then you go to another page and you come back to this page and then it's still like that. That's essentially what we would want. But happy with that. Tomorrow, hopefully we get a little bit further along